Hello, I'm Grace Chong. I'm very excited to tell you all about my new book in the O Mateo series. O Mateo number 13, Tree for All. It was actually a true story. It's based on the experience of my sister who was trying to stop men from cutting a big tree that was planted by my father. That was the reason I wrote Tree for All, to encourage all children and all those who would read the book not to cut any more trees, because otherwise we'll all be drowned when it floods. Each O Mateo book has a lot of values in it. So if they read O Mateo 1, for instance, it talks about sharing what you have with others. O Mateo 2 talks about working hard and not being idle. O Mateo 3, other values. So it goes on and on. From 1 to 13 now, there are a lot of values that kids can learn from it. Children, I would like to invite you to buy the book, the O Mateo series. It's now from 1 to 13. You can find a lot of adventures in it. Different adventure for different book, different values for different book. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.